In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Regions Bank online banking account. If you've ever found yourself unsure or struggling with logging in, don't worry, I'm here to help you every step of the way with a clear, straightforward approach. To begin, you need to go to Regions Bank's official website. Open your web browser and type in the URL www.regions.com. Once you arrive at the homepage, you'll notice the login option prominently located at the top right corner of your screen. Click on this button to start the login process. After clicking login, you'll be prompted to choose the type of account you wish to access. This is an important step as Regions Bank offers a variety of account types. You'll see options such as personal banking, mortgage, loan payments, and investment accounts. Depending on the type of account you wish to access, make the appropriate selection to proceed. Next, it's time to enter your login details. Start by typing in your online ID, which is essentially your username. Make sure you enter it correctly to avoid any login issues. If you've forgotten your online ID, you might need to follow the site's recovery procedures. Next, carefully type your password into the designated field. Remember, passwords are case sensitive, which means that even a small typo could prevent you from logging in. Once you've double-checked your details, click on the Login button. Occasionally, for added security, Regions Bank might require additional verification. This is especially true if you're logging in from a new device or location. They might send a security code to your registered phone number or email address. If this happens, keep an eye out for a text, email, or call containing your unique security code. Enter this code in the designated field to verify your identity. This extra step ensures your account remains secure, even if someone else knows your login details. And there you have it. You're now logged into your Regions Bank online banking account, ready to manage your finances with ease. Remember, always log out after you've completed your tasks, especially if you're using a shared or public computer. Maintaining these security practices helps keep your information safe from unauthorized access. If you encounter any issues at any point, Regions Bank has a robust customer service department that can assist you with any problems. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Stay safe and enjoy the convenience of online banking with Regions.